Hello, this is Chuck and welcome to Brand New Vegan, where today I'm making a very simple, very easy sandwich type recipe for all the people that love sandwiches out there like I do. This is my sloppy soy curls. Now, I grew up in Indiana. I told you that before. I grew up on all kinds of different types of sandwiches. Sloppy Joe's being one of the main ones. So this one is my substitute for Sloppy Joe's, and I use soy curls. So here's some ingredients. We got a little low sodium soy sauce here, some no salt tomato sauce, and of course the Butler soy curls. You've probably heard of them. You can get them at Whole Foods. You can get them at Amazon. I'll leave a link below in the description for the Amazon folks. They're non-GMO, very simple to use. Now you see in the recipe or in the picture there, I've got mushrooms. If you can't find soy curls, use the mushrooms. You can use either or in the case of my video here, I'm going to do both. I got some veggie broth. You saw some barbecue sauce, a little red wine vinegar. There's the mushrooms, a little garlic. I had some leftover green chilies too. I think the recipe calls for green bell pepper. You can use green chilies. This is very versatile. Gotta have the recipe too. And I'll leave a link for that below too, with all the ingredients and all the exact amounts and instructions. Anyway, here we go. Soy curls. They're dried. You're gonna have to rehydrate them first. So I got about half a bag. Put them in a bowl, add some hot water. That's really all you gotta do to rehydrate them. I personally like to spice them up a little bit. So I add some soy sauce, and you can use whatever seasoning you like. I like garlic powder. I like onion powder. And sometimes I'll throw in some Mrs. Dash, which is an all-purpose, no salt seasoning. Give that a whisk, and just let them sit. Let them sit and rehydrate while we get the onions and everything else ready. Now right here I want to show you how I cut an onion. See that little root end? Don't cut that off. Leave it on there. Cut the other end off for sure. But that way, when you make your slices, like right there in the video, that little root end of the onion, it holds it all together so it doesn't fall apart. I mean, look at that. Isn't that cool? And then you just cut crosswise and you get a perfect little dice. It's so easy. So remember, leave that little root end on there. It makes it so much easier for a dice. Perfect. So I'm going to cut off about half an onion. I got a half a bell pepper, and I got those green chilies in there. We're going to add a little bit of veggie broth, just enough to kind of get it wet and simmered, and we're going to simmer that until it softens. In go the mushrooms. Like I said, you can use that entire package of mushrooms. I used about half the package. If you can't find soy curls, use the whole thing. There we go. Let that come to a simmer. Meanwhile, the soy curls, after they've rehydrated, you're going to drain them, obviously. And I like to give them another chop because they're kind of long and stringy. So this is Sloppy Joe's, like hamburger. So I give them a little fine chop. Just like that. Toss those into our pan. So we got onion, we got bell pepper, we got a little green chili. I have mushrooms, you don't have to, but I have them in there. I have my soy curls. Again, if you can't find the soy curls, use the mushrooms. Now we're going to add a little garlic. Now see how the pan's getting kind of dry there? That's the perfect time to add our tomato sauce. And our barbecue sauce. I love Stubbs, so I got a bottle of Stubbs. I'm going to use about half that bottle. Use whatever kind of barbecue sauce you like. Mix that up really good. A little bit of red wine vinegar. I just like it. Adds that little twang to it. Don't have to use it if you don't like it. A little salt, a little pepper. Give it a taste. See what you think. In my case, I needed just a little bit more barbecue sauce for my taste personally. And there you go, sloppy soy curls. Great on sandwiches. Goes excellent with my French fries, I might add. The baked beans. Perfect for your summer picnics. Hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you do. And as I said, all the ingredients and the exact amounts will be on the website. I'll post a link below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.